Howdy, how y'all doing? This is George the Twister Waterslide. I'm hoping you guys having a wonderful day. Today we're going to do a POV of the water slides on the Carnival Radiance. Come join me! Are you bored here on the Carnival Radiance on a sea day? Well, you don't have to be. If you want to splish and splash the whole day long, you can. You just need to head on over to the WaterWorks on the panorama deck. Yeah, you can do 2 C-class water slides all day long. The Twister and the Aquatunnel. On the upper decks of the Radiance, you're going to find some sun. But that's not all. Basking in its rays is a glimmering symbol of fun, a moment to merriment, a sign of splash-good times to come. As I walk towards the Twister and the Aquatunnel on top of the Carnival ship, I can be sure that my vacation comes complete with twists, turns, and sequels of thrill delight. Now, the Aquatunnel, a majestic thrill slide, is a blue tunnel of exhilarating curves that a slider would love as the tunnel echoes back your screams. For some reason, it is intoxicating that you want to do it again and again. At my age, check your heart rate, your blood pressure, and your bathing suit to make sure it's still on. And then you need to head back up and do it all over again. Yeah, that's the fun thing about water slides, the thrill of the moment. One of the common water slides on many of the Carnival ships is the Twister Waterslide. Yeah, hundreds of feet of spiraling awesomeness that starts you up high in the air and gets you down low with one of the fastest, wettest rides anywhere on any ship. Yeah, in my experience, it was a 15-second wet goodiness of twists, turns, and screams. Twisting, turning, all these slides here on the Carnival Radiance for fun. Now do me a favor if you haven't yet, subscribe, hit that notification bell, give me 2 thumbs up, because this is George the Twister Rambler, going to do some slides again, signing off.